right here is Milwaukee's brand new FCS442-0 brushless circular saw, and this thing is a compact but powerful beast. And let me tell you, there is so many features in this machine that you are going to want to know about. Now, like I said, this machine is extremely compact. You can see here it's relatively small footprint, but Milwaukee have not given up any of the power in this machine. This thing has a cutting depth of 44 millimeters in wood, and it can cut through really demanding materials as well. This thing can bevel up to 50 degrees as well. So there's some great flexibility there in your cuts from a really small and compact machine. At the heart of this tool, you've got Milwaukee's fuel brushless power state motor with REDLINK technology. So your battery is going to communicate with your tool, ensuring you're getting maximum efficiency. Not only that, but if you pair one of these with Milwaukee's high output 12-volt batteries, you can see up to 25% more runtime. So you're going to get even more cuts for your buck. As I've been getting hands-on with this, I've noticed a few really cool little features. The first being this magnesium shoe. So not only are you getting a compact machine, Milwaukee have ensured to use lightweight materials as well. Perfect for those long jobs where you're making lots of cuts at once. This thing is not going to be too taxing on your arms. Another little thing I'm noticing, you've got the LED job light, but also a blower in there as well. You keeping your cut line nice and visible and free of debris at the same time. For those of you who've worked with one of these tools, you know they can kick up a serious amount of dust. So within the box, you're going to get yourself a dust extractor adapter, which means you can connect that directly to your dust extractor, minimizing the risk to you and keeping that dust down. Really important on the job, that. What you're getting here is a fantastically compact machine that doesn't sacrifice any power. Milwaukee have hit the nail on the head with this. There's some seriously cool features in here. If you're running M12 or you're thinking of getting a lightweight, compact circular saw, look no further. Check it out now at its.co.uk.